This new wide-angle universal camera solution allows you to see behind the vehicle in 5 different viewing angles. With its flush mount design, the installation process is made easy, allowing for optimal placement options. With the aid of the wireless controller, you are able to switch and modify various settings that contribute to the look of each camera mode. Once calibrated, you can then view your reverse camera feed on your head unit and then further proceed to use the controller to shift between the various viewing modes. You can also automate the camera view for your blind spot position. This will take effect when you use your indicator signals. For more information concerning the CAM-42 and its many functions, contact us today at Connects2.com.